Got a bunch of PDFs you need summarized? Instead of opening them one by one and spending hours reading, let NotebookLM do the heavy lifting. It can read all of your PDFs at the same time and turn them into one clear, organized summary. Let me show you how. First, click Create New to start a fresh notebook. Next, click Choose File. Here's a handy trick. You don't have to upload your PDFs one at a time. Just hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac, then click each PDF you want to include. Once you've selected everything, click Open. In just a few seconds, all of your PDFs will be uploaded as separate sources, and you'll see them listed on the left side of the screen. Now head to the chat box and type something like, "Summarize the key points from all my sources," then press Enter. NotebookLM will instantly analyze every document together and generate one clean, easy-to-read summary. Even better, it includes citations for every point, so you can quickly see which PDF the information came from and jump back to the original source whenever you need. No more switching between 10 different tabs, scrolling through hundreds of pages, or trying to piece everything together yourself. Whether you're reviewing research papers, work documents, reports, or study materials, this can save you a huge amount of time. That's it. Upload your PDFs, ask your question, and let NotebookLM do the rest. Give it a try with your own documents and let me know what you think.